Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your WhatsApp look like the way you see mine here. I'm going to show you how to turn on your username. I'm going to show you how to turn on your theme background in your WhatsApp. So let's get on to the video. So first and foremost, you go on and open your WhatsApp. Mine is locked, so this is my personal WhatsApp. So you go on and tap settings. From your settings, I'm going to show you how to enable username first. So you go on and look where you see account. From account, you see you will be able to see your username down here. As you can see, mine is already set at as you see that JFX. So you go on and tap where you can change. For example, you go on and look for any username you want. Let me say if you are John, you go on and type John. If it doesn't show, there's something I can show you how to use. We have what we call some twisted letters. You go on and wrong press on your letters. For example, you can put U, that kind of U. You can put that kind of B. These things, when you go on and twist, if you want to work on your username, you'll be able to change everything the way you want it. That is how you go on and set your username. Next, I'm going to show you how to change your theme. So when you scroll down here, you see where there's we have appearance. So you go on and tap appearance. From appearance, there's app icon. Mine is set at this orange one, so you go on and change your WhatsApp icon. And next we have a theme, so you can choose from these different themes. For example, have green, we have red. There's so many different colors that you can choose from. That is most of the things you can do in this updated new WhatsApp. So there's also something here what we call list, so you can create a custom list for your chats. You can choose what to do with your communities. You can change little things from your lists here. So those are some of the things that we updated in the new WhatsApp updates. Thank you so much. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information like this.